If your Lenovo laptop keyboard has suddenly stopped working, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you easy methods that can help fix the problem. The first thing you should try is performing a hard reset. Shut down your Lenovo laptop completely. If needed, press and hold the power button until the laptop turns off. Once it's off, unplug the charger and disconnect any connected devices, such as a mouse, USB drive, printer, or any other accessories. Now, press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds. After that, turn your laptop back on and check if the keyboard is working. If the keyboard still doesn't work, try the next method. Right-click the Start button and open Settings. In Settings, select Accessibility, then click Keyboard. Here you'll find the Filter Keys option. If it's turned on, turn it off. If it's already off, turn it on. Then test your keyboard to see if it starts working. If the problem continues, try reinstalling the keyboard driver. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand the Keyboard section, right-click your keyboard, and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstall if prompted. Now restart your laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall the keyboard driver during startup. Once your laptop finishes restarting, check if the keyboard is working normally. These are some of the easiest ways to fix a Lenovo laptop keyboard that isn't working. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.